happily made Batman's sidekick, Robin. Please welcome in Clown Action!
Start off by pumping up a blush balloon. Start off with a pinch twist, an 8cm bubble, another pinch twist, and another 8cm bubble. This makes the face and the ears. Now you can pop the blush balloon and tie a knot. Grab a black balloon and use this for Robin's face mask. Make this into an 8cm bubble and tie it to the two ends of the ears. For his hair, grab either a mocha brown or a chocolate brown. Start by tying the brown balloon onto one of his ears. Make an 8cm bubble. Tie it to the other ear. And then make a 3cm bubble and a 5cm bubble to create his hair parting. Now that's done, you can cut off the brown balloon. Make sure Robin's face looks good. Now onto the torso. Start off with a red balloon and a green balloon. Tie the green balloon onto one of the ears and the red balloon onto the other. Now onto the tricky part, you're going to squeeze the air out on both of the balloons and twist them around at the bottom of his head. Now that's secure, you want to create a 6cm bubble and another one, fold it back up to the neck. This will form Robin's body. Now once again, for the green and red balloons, squeeze out all the air and twist them at the bottom of his torso and make sure they're tight. Using the red balloon, make 4 pinch twists and this will make his belt. Once it's nice and tight, make sure your pin twists are looking good by adjusting them a little bit. And then you can cut off the red balloon. with the green balloon that's remaining, start off with a 7cm bubble, a pinch twist, a loop twist. This will make one of his legs.
Ready?
Then add a 2cm bubble, a pinch twist, and another loop twist for his other leg. Then make a 7cm bubble and tie it back to the waist. Now you can cut this part off and save it for the arms. Use this part to form a 14cm bubble. It's okay if it's a bit longer or shorter. Split your remaining balloon into halves. And slide it under his head to form his arms. Now that we're done twisting, let's go to the drawing part. Start with a white paint marker to give Robin some eyes. Use a black marker to give him a cheeky grin. And use a pink marker to give him some blush. Use a white marker again to give him the Robin logo. And when the white paint is done, make sure to draw him some eyes with the black marker as well. Then use a blue marker to fill it in. And outline the logo with a black marker. Now you're all done.
Roll out a balloon robin. Let me put it here. If you like my channel, please comment, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell button. Thank you.